Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Jenna. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. We are on day 24, the last day of the unboxing of my advent calendar series. If you guys haven't seen the rest of the series, I will link it up above as a playlist so you guys can go check out the other videos. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for the first box, we are going to be starting with the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. And since we are on day 24, it's this one right here, the final one. Can't get it out. Okay, there we go. I think this is a brush, like a, I don't know what it's for. But it's another type of, I think it's a cleansing brush or a, way to put makeup on. It's really small. It's really soft. I mean, I'm kind of excited that, like, it was a brush for the last day, but overall, I was expecting this box to be a little bit more makeup oriented. I wasn't really thinking of beauty as, like, being just generalized beauty. I'm not angry about it. I think I was expecting something different, and I mean, I'm excited with a lot of the stuff I got. I mean, like, I got a shower cap, I got a few different hairbrushes, a few different makeup sponges, some interesting little tools that I didn't really know that I needed, but still it's cool to get everything, and like, it's nice to have like a little kind of travel set of items that I can bring with me when I go back home to New York and stuff. But yeah. Alright, so my next box is the Joe and Seth's Gourmet Popcorn. This is what it looks like. And day 24 is this one right here. This one is milk chocolate popcorn bites. So yeah, I will put a video of me trying them in now and let you guys know what I think overall. Alright, so for the final popcorn tasting of my unboxing, my advent calendar series of 2020, like I said, is the milk chocolate popcorn bites. So I'm excited to try this. Oh, these are so odd. It's like a little chocolate ball and the popcorn is connected to it. Like, what? Alright. I kind of like the fact that they did something kind of quirky and unique for day 24 to end it out. Because I feel like while the Belk one was interesting. Oh wait, I don't know if I used this. I kind of like the fact that they did something a little bit unique for the final day of the advent calendar series, because they've been a pretty strong calendar. It kind of did bug me that they repeated, I think, 3 of them. But I also understand if they don't offer more than that. I really have enjoyed this one. I don't think there's been a popcorn that I've absolutely despised. There's a lot of flavors I haven't like necessarily loved, but for the most part, they all taste the way that they said they were going to taste. They all tasted very strong, like the flavor was there. So if you were to order gourmet popcorn, I would definitely check them out. They are a UK brand, so it may take a bit for it to be shipped to you, but in all honesty, the majority of the flavors to me are worth it and the flavor is there. I'm gonna have another one of these because these are good. I like the fact that the chocolate is like its own separate piece of chocolate and not covering the entire popcorn. And I kind of like the flavor of the popcorn bite itself. I don't know if it's caramel, I don't know what it is, but it's really good. I think I would give it an 8 out of 10 just for the like uniqueness of it, the fact that the flavor is really good, and it's kind of just cute and fun. So I'd go with that just for that aspect. The flavor itself is probably closer to like a 7 just because it's not like anything special, but like I like the uniqueness of it, which is why I'm going to give it a higher score. And now we're on to the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea. This is what the inside looks like, and we are on 24, which is the only gold one. I love this packaging. Let's see. Santa's Secret is the final one. This is what the inside of it looks like. It's very dark. And let's see what it says on the back. Santa's Secret. It is a black tea. It is high caffeine. There is a lot of caffeine in this. It has black tea, peppermint sprinkles, rice flour, palm and palm kernel oil, natural and artificial flavoring, cellulose gum, red 40 lake, carrageenan, titanium dioxide, natural and artificial vanilla flavoring. Yeah. I will post a video of me trying it out and giving you guys my final thoughts. Alright, so this tea is the Santa Secret. It smells, it looks like a black tea, smells like a fruity tea. I guess that's why it's the secret. Hopefully it tastes good. It's good. It's at least better than yesterday's. If you haven't checked that out yet, check out the link above. That was gross. This one's good. I like it. It's like not super sweet, but not super bitter. It's got like a weird, I'm gonna say warmness, but obviously it's hot tea, so it's gonna be hot, like warm. But it's like the flavor's warm, if that makes sense. I think I give this like a 7.5. The flavor's there. It's good. I also might not let it steep enough, and maybe that would help the flavor more. But I've let it steep for like a good 5 minutes, and it still is not like super strong. But like I said, it's good. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with the 7.5. Overall, I have enjoyed the tea calendar for the most part, besides the one. I have liked them all. I have like my top favorites, and I think they're all very similar flavored teas. So I think that in the future, when I order tea from David's Tea, I'm going to make sure to order that type of brand, or the type that I like. And I'm not against trying out the other ones, but now I have a better idea of the types of teas I would like to order in the future. So I definitely think I would get their advent calendar again. One thing that I will note though is there was a lot with nuts in it. So if you're allergic to nuts and you wanted to try this out, this might not be the best calendar for you. It might be better to create like your own calendar, or maybe there's a way you can reach out to them and see if they have like a nut-free or allergy-free option. I'm unsure though, or you could just skip the day with nuts, but there was a substantial amount I feel like that had nuts contained in them, either whether it be almonds or there was mainly almonds. There was one other one that had other nuts, but I don't remember which one that was. But overall, I really enjoyed this calendar, so I hope you guys enjoyed as well. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Overall, I think all of the advent calendars were pretty good. My least favorite was the Belk calendar, and that was just because it wasn't what I was expecting it to be. I was hoping it was going to be more makeup-oriented items, even if it was just more makeup brushes. I do really like the fact that I got some different things that I can use. So there's like a few brushes, there was a few makeup sponges, makeup brushes. There was a few, I think, tweezers in it, and there's a few things that I probably will never use, like the shower cap. I probably won't use ever. I might use it if I was like going to take a bath and didn't really want to get really couldn't get my hair wet for whatever reason. But overall, I think it was a good advent calendar. But my two favorites definitely were the teas and the popcorns. I'm kind of split. I really enjoyed a lot of the teas, but I feel like overall the popcorns were also really good. So I'm torn between the two. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. I probably won't be posting a video on the 26th since it is the weekend of Christmas. But I will be back next week with a normal video after I think it's the New Year's after that. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you guys soon. And I love you guys. Make sure to follow me on all my social media so you guys can stay up to date on what I've been posting. I'm on Instagram at miss_JennaD_, on Facebook at miss_JennaD, and on Twitter at JennaDMiss. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye.